Hi everyone, in this video we are going to talk about the prime pictures. So what are prime pictures? So a prime picture is a picture that is also a prime number. For example, pictures of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12, while the prime pictures of 12 are 2 and 3 because pictures are the number that may be composite number or prime number or in one, but the prime pictures are the number that should be prime numbers, just like prime pictures of 12 are 2 and 3. In another example, factor of 20 are 1, 2, 4, 5, 10 and 20, while the prime pictures of 20 are 2 and 5 because these prime pictures are prime numbers. Can you find the prime pictures of 25? So comment the prime pictures of 25 in the comment section. Now we are discussing the common factors in mathematics. So a common factor is a factor that is shared by two or more numbers as called common factor. For example, the factors of 4 are 1, 2 and 4 and the factors of 6 are 1, 2, 3 and 6. But the common factors are 1 and 2 because 1 and 2 are the factors that are shared by both of the numbers 4 and 6, right? Here is another example in which we are showing the factors of 15 are 1, 3, 5 and 15 and the factors of 20 are 1, 2, 4, 5, 10 and 20. But what will be the common factors of these numbers? So the common factors of these numbers are 1 and 5 because 1 and 5 are the factors that are common and both of these numbers 15 and 20. So we can say that 1 and 5 are the common factors of 15 and 20, right? So can you find the common factors of 8 and 16? So comment the common factors of 8 and 16 in the comment box. Comment your view in the comment section. So now we are discussing the properties of factors. The first property is that the smallest factor of any number is 1. For example, the factor of 16 are 1, 2, 4, 8 and 16, right? So in the factors of any number you will always see 1 as a factor of that number, so we can say that the smallest factor of any number is 1. So here we see that the factors of 16 are 1, 2, 4, 8 and 16, but 1 as the smallest factor of 16, right? So any number have factor will have a factor of 1, which is the smallest factor of all of the factors, right? The largest factor of any number is itself. For example, the factors of 8 are 1, 2, 4 and 8. So 8 has 1, 2, 4 and 8 factors, and 8 is the largest factor, so we can say that the largest factor of any number is itself. A factor is always less or equal to the number. Here we see that 1, 2, 4 and 8 are the factors of 8, and all of these factors are either less than 8 or equal to 8. So a factor is always less or equal to the number. All integers have finite number of factors. So any number that you see have finite number of factors except for 0 and 1. Every integer has minimum of 2 factors, which is 1 in itself. For example, if we see that the factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. All integers must have minimum of 2 factors. One is 1 and the other is the number itself. Here we see that the factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12, and 1 is always a factor of 12. So except for 0 and 1, every integer has minimum of 2 factors, which is 1 and itself.